Today I'm going to show you how to make TikTok stitches. We are creating a stitch over here, and you can come around to pretty much any video if they have allowed stitching with their video. Now on this particular video at the bottom on the right hand side, you'll see the share icon. Tap on that and there will be some gray icons right over here at the bottom. Scroll to the right, you'll see it says stitch. Go ahead and tap on this, and essentially what's going to happen is you will be able to take a part of this video and then cut it where you think it is necessary. So I'm just going to cut it like, let's just say like over there. All right, now we click on next, and now it will allow you to record a few seconds and it'll be stitched to the end of this video. So let's go ahead and turn our camera around, and we're going to do that. Yeah. Oh no, what? All right, now we've got our video, and now this is what it looks like. Whoa, that's awesome. Okay, so from here, what we can do is on the right hand side, there are a bunch of options. Once you've gone through those options, click on next. Here you can prepare your stitched video for posting, and once you're done, you're going to click on post.